next door I have Marusan's showroom and warehouse.
Right, wow.
Your first thoughts here of being in the Marusan factory?
No words, and yeah, this is just like exactly what you'd expect one of these factories to be like, and at the same time, just like completely overwhelming. Everywhere I look, there's just treasure. This giant destroyer is insane. I've never seen that
That's the one I was talking about.
Is that new?
Yeah, that's the one I was talking about. They only made it once because they couldn't
That is
fit it anywhere.
fucking beautiful.
I've never seen the test shot
You know what
color.
I mean,
Oh
bro?
my gosh. Please come home with me.
It don't get any better than that, right? That's like as good as it gets.
This is the video. I shot a video of this guy, or this lady, in the park near my house, and I sent it to them, and it was just like kind of a promotional thing.
Yeah.
And I was like, do you guys like that? And they were like, yeah. And then that's how I kind of got my into interview him the first time.
No way.
Yeah.
So that was a while ago then, right?
Oh yeah, like 5 years ago.
We can't underestimate how lucky we are to be like two gaijin right now in this in this building filming this stuff.
Yeah, it's
This
pretty.
is something that like the Western world doesn't get much of a peek into.
No, definitely not. There's about, I don't know, 200, 300 sofubi molds in here of kaiju throughout the years. Tokusatsu heroes, you name it. It's kind of crazy.
Yeah, just casual. Just casually. I'll just keep singing.
Yes. All right, we're gearing up to paint my latest collaboration for Marusan, the Bandora Tokyo Toy BANZAI version. This is my painting studio. However, I'm not very experienced with an airbrush, and I've never used this airbrush, so let's see how far I get before I fuck it up.
Sitting in my sand, a little crap dude here. Oh damn!
So Theo, if I fuck it up, you're gonna fix it, right?
You're talking to me like I know what I'm doing with an airbrush.
All right, we're on the final color pass, but we still have to do his eyes and some other masking, but get a little touch of light blue on his asshole here.
There we go.
Yeah, that looks good.
You like that? Subtle.
I'm glad that was a happy accident.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's the sofubi I like, the big, crazy, stupid size stuff. Statement pieces.
You wanna say hello? Hello, Theo.
Oh, we might pulling it out the mold.
Ah, I got it.
jack someone else's footage. Do you know, like just to talk about the molds or the pulling and things that I've had to use footage from other factories and other videos and credit them, like, no more.
Now you've got your own.
Got my own footage.
I don't know what that song was, but it was cracking me up.
It's like when a snake comes out the basket.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Sometimes I used to I lost my way to back, in the center
Okay.
and that's the direction I go back.
Follow that star.
Yeah, it's like a southern star, northern star.
Yeah, thank you so much for letting me film back there. This is a Tokyo Toy BANZAI exclusive show.
The unveiling of the new Marusan sign.
Yeah.
Oh,
Does it hang on the wall or something behind it?
yeah. Usually at the pop-ups, he's got it hanging on the wall or on the table or something. But for you guys, you can put it in the back.
On that.
There we go.
Ah, that's great.
Oh, that looks perfect. Freeze frame. It's like the end of a sitcom. I've always called it the golden turd.
One of those hoovers. Roomba. This is us.
This is us. And one pizza for, oh God, Mr. Theo.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Chips for Theo.
One fried potato with a side of honey mustard. Sorry if it's spilled. One fried egg. And one, oh my
How
God.
does it know when we're finished? Check the receipt.
Tap the button, take the receipt. See you later. Bye.
Kit Kat.
And there she goes.
And that's someone else's job lost. They took our jobs.
サービス日本一を目指しております。